Back to school lanyard. Will it DTF? Let's find out. If this works, it could be a great service to offer to schools where either the students or staff must have their IDs on their person at all times. Offer to customize them with the school's logo, their mascot, or their motto. These lanyards are 3/4 of an inch wide and are made of a synthetic fabric, so this should work well. I've set my heat press kind of low, around 260, and the pressure low as well, since I don't know the exact makeup of the fabric. I'll hold the graphics in place with some heat press tape and press them. One other thing is make sure that the clip is hanging off of the platen. You don't want to try to press that. While those are pressing, do me a favor and press that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of this Back to School Will It DTF series. See a little bit of rippling there. That's happened before when I've tried to DTF on some kind of strap thing. Also, it looks like maybe there might be a little bit of a not a burn mark, but a press mark. So maybe for this particular fabric, my heat is set a little bit too high or my pressure is a little bit high. So like I've said before, if you're using a new material you've never used before, test it, test it, test it. All right, let's see how this goes. Perfect. Oh, that peeled off perfectly. There it is. So lanyard, will it DTF? Absolutely. This is a great way to promote your school or business with something useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow morning for another Back to School Will It DTF.